Our boy Coke shot moments ago, brought to you by Coca-Cola. Lahat ng shots magaganda at walang katulad. Kaya ang buhay Coke, buksan mo 1 against 4. No problem for Asitaula.
That's a 6-0 run nga nito Coca-Cola Tigers para makalapit sila.
This is Mr. Baring Olofsson, who is the Chief Executive Officer of Coca-Cola.
Worried.
But hopefully,
Traveling pa to, ha? So, hindi pala traveling. May foul ito. So, forcing foul. Aris si Mauna.
first person na laban kay Dimaunahan. That is a 13 foul laban sa Coca-Cola here in the final quarter. Lanete to Raimundo against Visolas. And here's Lanete with a fake. Raimundo fakes. Raimundo back to Simon. Simon on the move. At
Naputokan.
too many moves.
Maputok pa kayo, ha?
Too many moves with too little time. Shot clock violation para sa kupunan ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. 8.5 remaining in this contest.
Fairwoods, 4 turnovers. It's fourth quarter.
Here's the Bagnon. Visolas! Yes, sir! That's a big, big basket. 8-0.
Ay, Coke, 12 na lang ito. Delikado pa kayo.
Here's Lanete. Uh-oh. Open shot. Yes, sir! James Yap!
Ang sabi. Biglang bigla ka to, eh. Biglang tumitira si James Yap, eh.
Tiempres for James Yap. Kinantado na, kinatena pa. Just when Coca-Cola was knocking on the door. Here's Taulava. And it's a steal. Chico Balboa, Lanete with a slide ball. Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
A fly on the fly. Kanina 12 na lang inahabol ng Coca-Cola. Ngayon na magana naman, 17 na naman.
I can already hear that Rocky theme in the background. And Chico Balboa Lanete with a slide move to the basket. It will be right back after this timeout.
Remaining sana, sagot si James Yap ng 3-point shot. At si Lanete naman, gawa na siyang fast break layup. Ito naman, ang Fairwoods forcing the turnover.
Well, Benefe really forced the issue that time. 17-point lead para sa Fairwoods. Here's James Yap. Man, a million moves. Has it over to Raimundo. Raimundo over to Lanete. Lanete for 3. Off the mark. Simon was fouled. And no, Romel, that basket will not count. You were not even fouled.
Wala. Ang kanya naman ginawa ng Peter Johnson, pag kuha niya ng rebound, diretso na, no? Well, let's take a look at this 4 out of 5 from the free throw line. Ang daming free throws na ibinigay sa Coca-Cola Tigers, no? Kasi lagi na penalty itong Fairwoods, eh. But only shows the intensity na sayang.
Astonishing sa
In the third quarter, wala nga kahit sa free throw na ibinigay sa
pakunti ng free throw attempts ng Fairwoods, and yet they're on top by this big margin.
2-for-2 para dito kay Peter Johnson. Again, sumampas sa 19. Itong abante ng Giants. At medyo nakahinga ng konti si Coach Ryan Ligoro dahil kanina nagrarally na yung
Babantay.
Coca-Cola. Mahirap na.
Yun ang nagpapababa sa field goal percentage ng Coca-Cola. All those missed layups.
Kaya nga, at sa taulaban dahil nanghinayang siya dun sa miss na yun, eh, kasi po yung rebound, natawagan siya, 4 na foul.
Here's Raimundo. Wala bumalik sa kanya with 8 to shoot. Raimundo still has the ball. Raimundo over Asitaulava. Benefe clears the rebound. 6.5 remaining here in the fourth and final quarter. At daan-daan ang naubusan ng oras ng Coca-Cola Tigers sa larong ito. Here's Taulava. There's that double team by Simon. Taulava triple team. No go. Another miss. Taulava now complaining to Boy Cruz.
Pagharap ng Taulava, si Adukol na yung nakatawa sa kanya eh. Mahirap na talaga eh.
Here's Simon. He goes baseline. Almost but not quite.
He was trying to be fancy that time. Nilipat pa ng kabilang kamay yung bola.
Catley. Taulava. Kahirapan.
Dito naman, ang nagagalit sila sa tawala. Dito naman, di ba?
Probably season. Dapat kanina pa.
Pang-limang ball na yan. Ito si Romel Adukul. Si Taulava. Kanina pa nakabitin, double-double na eh. 9 rebounds pa lang para dito kay Asi Taulava.
I read his lips. When he complained, he said, "Oh, come on!"
Come on, what?
Sabi niya kay referee boy, "Oh, come on!"
Didn't I call a foul? 16 points for Asi Taulava as he misses the second free throw.
To which Boy Cruz replied, "Say what?"
What?
Here's Cabaston. Naagaw ni Lanete on the move. Chico Lanete against Ronjay Buenafin. Lanete will step on the break. 5:35 remaining in the ball game. Bola na kay James Yape. Now Raimundo against Catley. That's a mismatch. Raimundo. Present to Catley. And Simon loses the ball. Forward pass para kay Buenafin. 2-on-2. Turnover.
Bola eh.
It has been a long night here para kay Ronjay Buenafe. And the rest of the Tigers, in fact. Patuloy sila nagkahabol dito with only 5:08 remaining in the game. And Aduko inside.
Pero yun po, nakita niya yan. Si Ronjay Buenafe lang yung tao ni Romel Adukul at down low.
Bawi naman kagad si Asi Taulava.
Less than 5 minutes remaining. Parang itong pursuit siya pwede ng time management ang gawin ito eh. Talaga hindi na gumamit eh, no? Hindi na gumamit ng iba pang player. Itong si Coach Ryan Gregorio.
As we suspected, the biggest problem of the Coca-Cola Tigers, outside of their atrocious field goal shooting, has been their inability to stop the inside scoring of Pure Foods.
Tama ka dyan, ano? Dahil nga Salvador, Adukul, itong si...
At talaga na, hindi pa gumagawa si Kirby Raimundo pa nga eh. These are all the layups and Pure Foods is outscoring Coca-Cola in the shaded lane 46-28.
At ito pa isa, pumasok pa yung isang magko-contribute ng puntos sa shaded area. Pumasok pa si Mark Pingris.
Get it! Here's Taulava.
Oh? Talagang nakakalabaw. Sa Taulava.
He's really trying his best to carry the Tigers on his big, broad shoulders.
Kasi it will be the first time na natin daw sa Taulava this move against Roman Adukul. Good run rate. 6 points, 6 rebounds para dito kay Romel Adukul. First casualty.
You know, just like Asi, mapaganda rin para kay Romel itong kanyang paglipat sa Pure Foods.
Oo, kumbaga dito alam na alam ko anong role niya eh. Diba? Define yung role mo dito sa Pure Foods. So, hindi ito, sabihin na natin superstar si Kirby Raimundo, Mark Pingris, pero Adukul, ito role natin, kuha ng rebound, tiga-depensa. Swak na swak. 27 points para dito kay James Yap.
Here's Buenafe. Catley. Runner is blocked. Oh, blocked. So another 4 minutes to go. Pure Foods, as Barry mentioned, probably going into time management mode. Hindi na kailangan magmadali. James Yap for 3. Rebound for Colombo.
19 points. Closest that Coca-Cola got was within 12. 8 points in the ball game for Cesar Catley.
But the Tigers will need more production if they wish to get back in this ball game. And we are in the middle of a 30-second timeout. Lamang po ang Pure Foods 94-78 here in the fourth and final quarter, under 4 minutes remaining in this ball.
Hindi umiscore si James Yap in the first few minutes of the ball game, but when it started, scoring 5 straight points, doon na nagsimulang lumayo itong Pure Foods.